Today, we're taking a really interesting look at email marketing, specifically this whole idea of a forever free list building service. We've got some material here on SendSteed, and our mission really is to figure out how they can offer, pretty robust features without that monthly bill.
Yeah, it's a classic marketing puzzle, isn't it? SendSteed is quite open about what they offer. You've got list building, obviously, an autoresponder function, broadcasts, and tracking, too. And all of that comes under this banner of forever free. They even talk about giving you a lifetime list.
Okay, see, that immediately makes you wonder, right? Especially if you've seen your own email list grow and, well, watch the autoresponder costs climb right alongside it. If it's got all these valuable things, what's the catch? Is it, like, secretly limited? Or are they doing something with the data? Let's dig into the model.
Okay, well, let's start with the features they're claiming, because they do address some common headaches. When they say lifetime list, it seems to mean two key things. First, it's your list, explicitly, not some kind of shared system. And second, data retention. They're saying you won't get charged more or worse, kicked off, just because your list gets big, which allows for, some pretty serious automation, setting up email courses that drip out day after day, that kind of thing.
And on that automation point, this is where it gets kind of technically interesting, I thought. They mentioned something called smart filtering. Now, if you're running multiple campaigns, maybe someone ends up on a few of your lists, right? The nightmare is sending them the same email twice, basically back to back.
Exactly. And smart filtering is designed to prevent that. It's like an advanced deduplication, but it scans across all your lists right before sending. It makes sure the subscriber only gets one copy of the message, or maybe the highest priority one if there are different messages scheduled. Cuts down on annoyance for the subscriber. Makes you look smarter.
Keep subscribers happy, yeah. And the tracking plays into making that automation effective. Correct. The sources say it automatically tracks opens and also click-throughs on links.
That's right. So you get the basic feedback loop to see what's working in your sequences.
Okay, so we've got automation, list protection, smart features. It sounds pretty comprehensive. So back to the big question. How on earth is it free? Most people would probably assume, they're selling the list data or something.
Yeah, that's the natural assumption, yeah.
Yeah.
But the source material points somewhere else entirely. SendSteed isn't standalone. It's actually provided by LeadSleep.com. And LeadSleep, well, they've been around since 2008 as a lead generation system. Their main business is advertising.
Ah, okay. So LeadSleep is the parent, and they run ads. So the cost, it's not money, it's attention. You see ads when you use SendSteed.
That seems to be the model. The sources confirm you'll see advertisements, but only in your control panel when you're logged in and working on your emails.
Right, okay. And crucially, what about the emails going out to your subscribers?
That's the key assurance they give. They explicitly state they will not email your list themselves, and they won't inject LeadSleep ads into the emails you send. So the integrity of that communication channel is protected. The revenue comes from the marketer, you, seeing ads internally.
That makes sense. It's an internal ad model supporting an external tool. But with that kind of structure, I imagine they have to be pretty strict about how people use it. What kind of content is not allowed?
Yeah, they have a clear list. It's pretty standard, really, aimed at keeping the service clean. No spam, obviously. No HYIPs, pyramid or Ponzi scams. Also, no obscenity, adult content, dating, gambling, or anything drug-related. To get started, you actually have to join or log into LeadSleep first.
Got it. So what this means for you, the user, is you potentially get a really solid email platform without the usual escalating costs. It's supported by this internal ad model that, importantly, keeps the ads out of your subscribers' inbox. You don't get financially penalized for growing your list.
Exactly. Which, when you step back, leads to a pretty interesting final thought for you to consider. If this system, running since 2008, can genuinely fund a full-featured, forever-free email tool just by showing ads to marketers inside the control panel, well, what does that tell you about the perceived value of that marketer audience? The platform is free because the eyeballs logging in are, in themselves, a valuable commodity.